always been heavily involved with both computers and music. Growing up, I spent my summers at band camps and computer camps, which really did wonders for my popularity level in middle school. I ended up getting a bachelor's in commercial music from Messiah College, and I recently finished a bachelor's in computer science from Oregon State University. Before I came to WebpageFX, I did some freelance web development gigs. I worked as the director of operations for a small nonprofit, and I even served as a music pastor for a couple of years. So my path to where I am now was certainly not conventional, but I'm here. You'll find that most WebpageFX employees have many interests and talents, and that well-roundedness is part of what makes us such a great and creative team. Well, 2 days are never the same, but in general, my tasks fall into one of three major areas. The first area, which is probably my favorite, is website builds. Here at WebpageFX, we have a complete in-house team of designers, developers, and project managers that skillfully craft website redesigns or brand new websites for our clients. These range from small WordPress sites to large-scale e-commerce sites built in Magento. And in these builds, we developers handle everything from writing custom plugins and modules to working with external feeds and APIs, to setting up and configuring servers, to optimizing and improving site performance and security. And we'll also handle a lot of smaller projects and site maintenance tasks, like adding a particular feature to an existing site, troubleshooting broken pieces of functionality, and even cleaning up and securing hacked websites. The third main area that we work in is with WebpageFX's internal software. So things like improving our help desk support ticket system, or building more features into our revolutionary Marketing Cloud Effects software suite that we do offer for free to all of our clients. So really, whether you're more drawn to pretty front-end stuff, or large-scale application development, or server administration, you'll be sure to find projects here that tickle your fancy. Well, first off, I very much appreciate WebpageFX's focus on its employees being lifelong learners. The web is such a constantly evolving beast with new technologies and ideas coming out every day. There's never a shortage of things to learn. So we have subscriptions to all kinds of resources like lynda.com, Tuts Plus, Treehouse, and we also have an ongoing learning program that gives you rewards as you go through those materials. And on top of that, we utilize an internal wiki system that lets us share tips and tricks that we've learned with the rest of our team. I also admire the company's heart for others. We're constantly reminded that our clients are real people with real families and real passions, which brings a personal touch to my work as I stare at a very impersonal text editor or terminal screen. But my favorite part of WebpageFX is the people that are here. It's a very team-oriented environment with constant flows of positive encouragement going around, and the people in leadership genuinely care about those working under them. In my past jobs, I was the only one doing my particular role, so I really appreciate having opportunities to be mentored by other developers who know more than me in certain areas, along with the opportunity to mentor others myself. It's really a great community to be a part of. I would say culture fit is very important at WebpageFX, so be sure to be yourself. Through the interview process, you'll obviously be tested on the qualifications that you'll see in the job listing, but things will go much deeper than that. We want to see that you're well-rounded, that you're passionate, that you care about others, so don't be afraid to be personal and show who you really are.